Čateks je tvrtka koja ove godine slavi 140 godina postojanja. Dakle, davne 1874. godine obitelj Neumann osnovala je prvu bojadisonu u Čakovcu u centru grada i od tada kreću prvi tekstilni koraci za ovaj naš kraj.
In 1961, Čateks began construction on the first of its workshops at our current site and premises of the current production facilities. In those years, Čateks employed more than 900 workers. Through continuous investment and equipment and employees, Čateks has managed to build a reputation for being a leading textile company in this region of Europe. It's precisely from this rich history and tradition that promises the future prosperity of our current day operations. Čateks has undergone constant development since 1874 up to present day. The current production organisation is divided into 3 units: textiles, weaving mill with final processing stage; Polytex, the production of technical materials based on polyurethane; confection of household textiles; protective mattress covers; and professional waterproof protective clothing with high-frequency welded seams. By using the latest generation Picanol weaving machines, we have created the conditions for production of superior quality raw fabric, which, after the final processing stage or refining, achieves the defined quality parameters concerning its appearance, texture, and functionality. In order to achieve this, the final processing facility has been equipped in such a way that it can meet almost all market requirements, including the possibility of final processing of a wide range of fabrics or different fibre compositions like cotton, polyester, polyamide, monoacrylic, and their variants, as well as dyeing by means of various processes like reductive, reactive, disperse, acidic, and metal complex. In addition, the necessary stage of final processing is the printing machine, which uses rotating stencils. Every new specially prepared design is engraved by means of modern laser technology and stencils used for printing camouflage or various decorative patterns. Čateks's design department is the creative hub from which all new patterns emerge, many of which reach foreign markets. Experiences gained over many years and with new technologies employed, Čateks has enabled itself to establish clients and business partners from the highly demanding market of Western Europe, such as Germany, France, and Belgium, as well as locally some Croatian public institutions such as the Croatian Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Interior, Croatian Post, Croatian State Railways, and many others. Čateks is the only company in Croatia that produces polyurethane-based technical materials available with various fibre compositions, long-lasting durability of the material, and a different production method, all of which makes our material specific in comparison to a conventional material. The Polytex production program is divided into 3 basic groups of products: coated textiles for waterproof professional protective clothing. Coated textiles are suitable for clothes which provide protection from rain, wind, and cold. A thin polyurethane layer is laminated onto a knitted elastic polyamide fabric. An additional advantage is that they are oil-proof and any oil-based derivatives. Also, if the customer requires, they can be made with special properties such as resistance to fire. Yard goods are made into waterproof professional protective clothing, jackets, raincoats, overalls, and trousers by high-frequency welding. Coated textiles for medical protective products program. These textiles consist of high elastic polyamide or polyester base coated in polyurethane. The combination of these components provides softness and elasticity and protects from various bodily fluids. Its maintenance is very simple. It is washable in a washing machine at 95 degrees. The Medical Protective Products program is intended for protection of mattresses and pillows in hospitals, hotels, retirement homes, and households. Textile laminate or multi-layered textile made by bonding a breathable membrane and textile base by means of glue dots adhesive bonding technology. The basic element of textile laminate is a breathable polyurethane membrane produced in Čateks, the main characteristics of which are excellent transpiration, evaporation of sweat vapor and moisture while being waterproof and windproof at the same time. By laminating this membrane on a textile base by means of glue dots adhesive bonding technology, you get a water-repellent, breathable textile which is pleasant to wear in various weather conditions. By choosing an adequate textile base on which the membrane is laminated, polyester or PTFE membrane, the final products get their specific features of 2, 3 or 4 layered textiles so they can be used in various types of upperwear, jackets, coats, vests, raincoats, but also in the footwear industry. Our range of laminated textiles is continuously expanding, and we expect that in the future, Čateks's lamination program will prosper with the help of its innovative and educated experts and by continuous investment in the company's development. order to maintain quality and standards set by Čateks's clients and customers, a necessary stage of our production process is our internal laboratory. The experts at Čateks test and analyze our final products by means of modern devices, and they do so during the product's development stage, as well as during intermediate stages of production, which secures standardized quality of products. Also, raw materials are initially inspected in order to detect possible inadequate raw materials and thus eliminate them at an early stage. The majority of Čateks's clients and customers set high standards for our products and require compliance with European standards, which Čateks has implemented and now upholds with valid quality certificates issued by approved textile laboratories. Accordingly, the company has been awarded the Cateks certificate for the past 15 years, which implies the selection process for raw materials is rigorous in order to secure the ecological adequacy of the final product. During its history, Čateks has always offered a wider range of its own products, from household textiles such as traditional tea towels, aprons, tablecloths and bedding, to complex garments and clothing for special purposes. The Department for Technical Preparation controls the process connected with the development of prototypes and later the development of the technological sheets and pattern sheets. The skilled and experienced eyes and precise hands of Čateks's tailors transform the pattern sheets into a collection of cut pieces so that the diligent hands of the garment manufacturers can transform them into a final product by sewing them or joining them together by means of high-frequency welding. In garment manufacture, every piece of cut cloth assumes its final shape. At the final stage, every product undergoes final inspection and is then carefully labelled with product disclosure, packed and prepared for distribution.
Trenutno zapošljavamo 320 ljudi i ono što je bitno spomenuti, mi sutra vidimo Čateks kao jednu respektabilnu kompaniju, čak i najveću kompaniju kao primarnog tekstilnog proizvođača u ovom dijelu Europe. S obzirom na našu tradiciju, znanje i ulaganja, Čateks ima svjetlu budućnost.